Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Nervy Specialist. So I just want to walk you through just a quick section in our store, and we call it the chassis area. So we've kind of put together, and we're still adding to it as time goes, of like different products, different things that we sell versus different things that can happen as far as shackle brakes, shackle links braking, thicker shackle link options, showing you examples of ones that are worn, showing you example of what a standard center equalizer looks like, what one that's worn looks like, different bushings, showing you what nylon bushings look like worn, what bronze bushings look like worn, what a new nylon bushing looks like, again what they look like when they're worn, shackle links that get ovaled out, CRE 3000s that crack and break and become loose. We have breakdown sheets of what all goes on, different versions, road armor kits, things that get worn and get damaged in those. Older versions down here, spindles, U-bolts, brake backing plates, magnets that are worn in brake shoes, hubs that are damaged or cracked, different bearings, different style springs that are broken, and flat springs. And so if you would come in to our store, we put this stuff out here so that we can actually explain it to you and show you better so that you have a full understanding of what and why we're recommending the things that we are. So anyway, stay tuned for more. Hope you enjoy these videos. This is Dustin, Nervy Specialist at California Nervy Specialist.